If you need to change the date of an event in Google Calendar, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two simple ways to do it: by dragging and dropping the event to a new date, and by editing the event details manually. This is a great skill to know whether you're rescheduling meetings, moving appointments, or just cleaning up your calendar. If this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Calendar and find the event you want to move. If your calendar is in month, week, or schedule view, you'll see the event on the grid. The easiest method is drag and drop. Click and hold the event, then drag it over to the new date you want. Once it's in the correct spot, release it, and Google Calendar will automatically update the event date. This is the fastest option when you just want to move something from one day to another. If you need more control, or if you want to change the exact date and time manually, use the edit method. Click the event once to open the event details, then select the pencil icon, which is the Edit Event button. This opens the full editing screen where you can make changes. Look for the date fields and update the event to the new date you want. You can also adjust the time if needed and make sure everything looks correct before saving. When you're finished, click Save. Google Calendar will update the event with the new date, and your calendar will reflect the change right away. If the event is part of a recurring series, be careful to choose whether you want to change just that one event or the entire series, depending on what you need. That's it. Now you know how to change the date on Google Calendar using both the quick drag and drop method and the manual edit method. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one.